Hello, all. Welcome to the Valley Art session.
All.
Hello, teacher.
Yeah. So we shall be doing trees, human figures, and houses today. Okay. This is our fourth session. So next session we'll be making a complete artwork. Whatever we've learned in the past four classes, we are going to incorporate that into one complete drawing and make. Okay. With all the
Okay, teacher.
borders, we've learned borders, we've learned different kinds of plants, we've learned trees, houses, and today we will be
We have
learning
not learned
human
houses,
figures also.
teacher.
Yeah.
We have not learned houses.
So that we'll be doing today. Na? I already told you that you will be doing trees, houses, and human figures today. So we have to make it quick. Okay.
Okay,
Good
teacher.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay, shall we start?
Yes, teacher.
Able to see my screen over here clearly?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So pin up to my other screen. Okay, the mobile one. Otherwise, you will not be able to see the drawing. You will be able to see only my face. Yeah. So first we will make this um, the first tree. Okay, for that I will be showing slightly smaller sizes so that we are able to finish it quickly, okay, within the session timing. Okay, just make two slanting lines and then make branches for the tree. Right? Now here, all right, this has to be filled up like this. Are you able to see it? See, I'm making lines, diagonal lines. Okay. And here, do you remember that we had learned these branches with dots on both sides?
Yes.
Supposed to do that way for the branches. Okay, to show the leaves, you have to just show dots. Okay. Once you finish with the dots, I will show you what is to be done. You need to mute yourself. Okay, because I can overhear all kinds of sounds from your house. Unmute only when you have to talk or ask something. Okay. Yeah, now for these, you just have to pull out the dots. Okay, pull out in the sense, draw lines from the dots. From each of the dots, you have just supposed to draw lines. Okay, extend lines out. Okay, now this is very easy, but still it will look very attractive. So that's your trick. Okay, now for this tree, you can make a zigzag line like this. It's not a zigzag exactly, it is a curvy, wavy line. Okay, make a wavy line and then at the bottom we'll make it like this. Make a wave again here. Because this entire tree is in the shape of curvy structures. Okay, make the branches. Now see, my branches are bigger on the lower side, they are smaller on the upper side. Okay, you have to make it like that. The branches have to end up in curves. All right. Now I'm going to fill this up. This entire thing needs to be filled up. And Shuprav, you are supposed to mute yourself, Bacha. When there is a class, I shouldn't be able to hear any noise from your end. Okay. Only when you have any doubts, you can unmute yourself and ask me. Okay, fill this up completely. All right. Once it is done, then you are supposed to make this. See here, again, you were making dots, but then do you remember in one of the uh, artworks, we had done dot and we did a curved line like this outside. Are you able to see that? Dot and a curved line like this. Okay, so that way you are supposed to do, because this whole tree is very curvy kind of tree. Okay, so we have to make everything curved here. Make the leaves also curvy. Make a dot and pull out the curve. The curve has to be outwards. Okay, all right. Have you followed that? Huh? All of you are following it? Tej, are you doing it? Do it quickly. You are always joining the class late, because of which you get delayed in your work. Yeah, Tej?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Why have you joined late? You should join exactly at 12. When I start the class, I should find you all in the waiting room. If you join late, then you will lag behind. You will not be at pace with the class. Okay, so that's how we are supposed to do for the tree. Make it quick. Just do the outer form work. If you're not able to finish off with me, along with me, like you need to keep the same pace as mine. Okay, if you're not able to finish off with me, then leave that and we will move on to the next. These ones you can catch up later by watching the videos. Got it? Now this one here is a simple coconut tree. Okay, for the coconut tree, you just have to draw two slant lines and make coconuts hanging up there on the tree, and then the branches of the tree. Okay, now for this one, I have made another variation. If you can see here, there are two trees of coconut crossing over each other. Okay, one going the other way, the other going the opposite way. Okay, so I'll be showing you this one how to complete it. Okay, just make two slant lines. Okay, this way and the other going opposite. Okay, intersecting it, and then make the branches. Okay, so for the leaves, you need to just draw lines here. All right. Now inside, you're going to make lines like this. Okay, now I'll show you how to make this palm tree. This next one there is a palm tree. Okay, see here. Make a curve like this, another curved line. Okay, this is the ground. Now, just with the pen, you have to make it very light. Okay, don't make it darker. It has to be very light. You're making the shape. Okay, the shape of the tree, which will help you to maintain a proper outline, and the shape will come out better. Okay, now emerge the branches from here. Okay, and for these branches, when you show leaves, the leaves have to extend out till the silhouette that you have made, the outline that you have made. Okay, so that will help you to maintain proper shape for the branches and the leaves. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm just extending the lines out there till the shape that I have given. Okay, see, it becomes easy. Are you all following what I'm doing?
See, I don't understand to how to make that which you have made second.
This palm
Wow.
tree.
Yes.
See, after you make, once you make the branch, I'm showing only the upper part. Okay, this is the branch, like how it continues. And for the tree, you have to make a shape like this. Just create the shape for the branches like a flower. Okay, and then you have to extend out branches from one point, that is the tip of the tree trunk. Okay, draw lines like this, and after that you are going to extend the lines out. Followed?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now this can go down there, and this is the ground. Okay, now for the trunk you can make the lines like this, or you can make lines straight. Okay, now we'll be making a few plants. Okay, see this one, the smallest one here. It's very easy. You just have to make one line, make branches like this. See, it's up to you how many branches you make, what size of plant you want to make. Okay, just make feathery lines here. That's all. Followed? So that's how it is to be done. Now, this plant is where it is made up of straight lines. Okay, just make a straight line, make the base. Branches are going to be straight like this. Okay, now petals are round. Round in the sense the shape of the leaves are round, not the petals, sorry. The leaves. The leaves are round at their tip. Okay, just make tiny, tiny leaves. This is like a shrub. Okay, now we'll make this one. Okay, for this one, this is something similar to the first big tree that we've made. Okay, but this is a shrub. This is smaller. You have to make it wavy like this. Okay, make the ground grass, a bit of grass here and there. Okay, fill up horizontal lines. Okay, fill the stem up with horizontal lines. And then make the branches. Now, this does not have too many branches. We'll just make a few branches here and there. Okay, and it will be done. And here the shape of the leaves is like normal leaves, the leaves that we draw always. Okay, now this is again up to you whether you want to leave the leaves same as they are or you want to fill them up. All right.
Yes.
So that's the plant. Okay, I may draw a few leaves here also. It's something like leaves blossoming like from the axils. Now these are very easy. Okay, you just have to make this and make dots. These are again another way of showing crops. Okay, a few lines and then make dots, 3 dots or 4 dots in a row. Got that? Okay, now the other shrub that I have made here. Here we are making small tiny stones here and there. Okay, and then the plant. Okay, make the leaves and the filling needs to be done. Okay, you need to fill these leaves up. But the shape of the leaves is same as the earlier shrub that we made, this one. Not visible, Sanskriti. Okay. Yeah, yeah. I didn't realize that my camera was not pointing on it. Okay, now is it clear? Yeah. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, that's it. We are done with the shrubs. Now let us move on to houses. Okay, all of you done, like do at least a bit of it. See what I'm doing first properly. Okay, you can always watch the videos and do your work. Okay, complete your work by watching the videos. And you can, I know you all are aware of the settings and all that are there in YouTube. Okay, but I'm just telling you, you can increase or reduce the speed also. Some of the videos we have made them little faster so that we are able to upload them easily on YouTube. Okay, So for those, you can go and change the settings of the videos, reduce the speed, okay, reduce the play speed, and you will be able to see it clearly, and you can do it along with the video. Understood? Shall I put up the next sheet? Yeah, Tej? Anything wrong?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
teacher.
Okay, so should I continue with the next sheet?
Yes, teacher.
All right.
Yes,
All right. Now here,
ma'am. At my book now there is only 2 pages.
okay, no issues. Tej, you can do on white papers also. Okay, you can do on white papers. If there are no pages, you can
House.
work on white papers. Okay, now the houses. The first one. Okay, I'm doing slightly different. Let me fill it up. See, you can do your own variations of the uh, elements that we are using here. Okay, slide variation. You can't change to modern style or whatever style you wish to. Okay, it should still be the same style. Okay, slight variations are fine. Okay, now for example, I'm making windows here. Okay, and then I make lines here. And on top again, I'm getting all of them to one height. Okay. All right. Now the next one. This is a round, a circular roof. Okay, domical. Okay. Now in this one, I'm again making a variation. Okay, what I will do here is, let me make a ladder. Okay, now these people used to make ladders and all those also. They had double storied buildings, single storied, not double storied, but yes, single storied buildings were there. Okay, so this is like two supporting sticks here. Okay, now the next one, again a circular roof or a domical roof. This is slightly more in height. All right. Now, okay, now a double-storied house. This is a fishnet. Now they used to hang these articles out in their houses, in front of their houses. Okay, so some of the articles have been shown here. Okay, I mean, we are trying to show them. All right, now this is the ladder. There's a person climbing. Now, I have not taught you human figures as yet. I'll be teaching them now after a while. Okay. Now remember, you have to rejoin the session. Okay, once it gets ended, please rejoin again. Okay. Now here we are making a lady who's seated here. She is doing some work. Okay, she's seated there. She's doing some work. Now here for the roof, it's not necessary that you always make lines. You can make a checkered pattern or a straight or just straight lines. All right. And there are some agricultural articles and all kept on the top, on the upper floor. Okay, there's something drying out here. Clothes and all those. Some designing for the roof. Okay, now that's about the houses. You can do more variations also.
Teacher, can I show my drawing?
Yes, sure. One second, let me see where you are. Okay, very good. Yes. Should I put up the next one?
Yes, teacher.
No, ma'am.
Which one are you doing, Tej?
Yes, now you can.
Now? Okay, are you taking screenshots?
Yes, ma'am, because only there is, I think, only one page. That's why I'm taking screenshots because I have not taken my one more book. That's why.
Okay, okay, fine. Now, for the human figures, I'll first teach you how to make small boys and girls, and then um, we'll do,
First, it's then elders.
yeah, older people. Okay, first the kids. Okay, let me make the boy
Ma'am,
first. Yes,
will you send the video?
yes, yes, I will. Okay, now see here. This is a head. Just make a single line for the neck, a triangle, another triangle, upside down. Okay, and then the legs. The legs are just straight lines, and then you have small diagonal lines, okay, to show the feet. That's it. Now it's up to you whether you want to fill it up or leave it as it is. Okay, now for the girl, the girl has two plates. Okay, now a woman. For the woman, mostly women are shown with a bun. Bun means juda in Hindi. Okay, so they tie up their hair in the form of a bun. Okay, women are slightly less taller than men. Okay, now you can do the filling or leave as it is, as I told you already. It's up to you. All right, now a man. Man is slightly taller than the lady. Okay, he is carrying something on his head. Okay, now okay, now you can also make fruits or something on top of this. Like in the basket, you can show a few fruits or vegetables, or you can show some grains. Okay, you can show just a few dots to show grains. You can also show fish if you want. Okay, so it could be a fish vendor or a vegetable vendor. Okay, now this man is carrying something in the basket. Okay, now a lady. Um, okay, she's carrying a basket on her waist. Okay, now lady doing some cooking. Okay, now let me keep this here and the lady is cooking on a pot. Okay, something inside a pot. Hello, are you able to hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Perfectly. You're audible.
Okay. Now, this one was a person carrying an agricultural implement, that is a plow. Okay, you can also make people carrying a person carrying um, a stick, like they have the stick to which they tie cloth and some articles and all that also. Okay, so you can make something that way also. All right. Um, Now we'll make a lady. Now these people, these tribal people, they don't have water available near their villages. Okay, they'll have to walk miles together to fetch water. Okay, so let us make a lady carrying a pot. Okay, not just single, not just one single pot. They carry pots one over the other, like
5 in there,
yes,
one pot up there, one pot up there with a cloth.
yes. Okay, like this. You can make more pots also if you want to. Okay, I've made just two. Now let me also color this part because I've colored her head. So let me also color the body. All right. Now let us make a lady carrying some sticks on her head. Okay, because they also need sticks to light up firewood. Firewood in the sense the chula that they use for cooking. So these ladies cut dried plants and all that. Okay, with the help of this sickle. This is the sickle that I have made in her hand. And then she's carrying sticks on her head. Okay, dried firewood. They are tied up in a bundle. So this is how we are supposed to show it. All right, with that we have finished with human figures, houses and trees. All right, in the next class, what you will be needing is a orange color or an orange color paper or a red background paper or a yellow background paper. Okay, you may use an A4 size paper if you have an A4 size origami paper or colored fluorescent paper, whatever, like you can use it. Don't use very vibrant fluorescent colors. You may go for colored papers of red background or yellow or orange. Okay, if you don't have one, what you can do is just paint it.